'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shop not a spindle was turning, they were all at e-stop. The swarf was all bagged and the slideways all cleaned, and paintwork all polished and shined till it gleamed. Floors were all swept and some space had been found, in the hopes that St. Nick might stop by on his rounds. While Dawn, John and West were asleep in their beds, thoughts of new projects danced in John's head. In the dark of the night he woke up like a flash, as a noise he had heard from the shop like a crash. He shot to the window and threw open the curtains. What was that on the roof? He couldn't be certain. From behind some thick cloud the moon then appeared, shining light on a man with a sack and a beard. In front of the man was a sleigh with some deer. He gave a big grin, there was nothing to fear. He shouted and whistled to the reindeer in vain. The sleigh was too heavy, so St. Nick tried again. Now Cormac, now Novo, now Mig and Harrison, on Elmer, on Eagle, on Taylor and Hobson. To the edge of the roof, John hopes they don't fall. Now stock away, stock away, stock away all. Up with the door as no chimney was found, and down a big package was sent to the ground. In a flash it had vanished along with St. Nick into John's workshop so incredibly quick. Just as quick as he went in, he came out again and was back on the roof with his team all in train. With a call and a whistle they took to the sky, and St. Nick gave a wave as he bid John goodbye. He was heard shouting loudly as they drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."